Hi, my name's Steve. I'm a customer of Idahome Solar. We were testing the market and our house was worth X amount. We put solar on, and if we were to sell, our house is worth the same amount, plus we would get our money back in the solar. So just in home equity, it was a good deal. But now that we're solar customers, our bills are $5, and that's because we have to rent the power rent the line from Idaho Power. But we're a real believer in it. The 30% federal tax credit is a huge factor. But we're also believers in Idahome Solar. 3 times they jumped through hoops for us as far as de-icing the roof when it froze up on us during installation. They brought out the boom trucks that they sometimes don't normally use, but they use local talent. So we're believers in Idahome Solar, and we're believers in the solar concept.